Welcome back to O-Level Oasis, your roadmap to tackling CAIEs with ease. We are currently studying O-Level Biology 5090, and the topical notes can be accessed in the description below each video, as well as in the pinned comments for your convenience. So, we're on Chapter 8, Human Nutrition. In the last lesson, we finished up the first unit, which was diet. Now, we're moving on to the second unit, the Human Digestive System, and this is the syllabus content which we will follow here. Here's more of it and also this. So you can see the syllabus here. Yeah, it looks way bigger than what we did before. But don't worry, I'll keep it super clear and to the point. We'll only focus on the important stuff, break it down into simple bits, and make it short enough for you to learn without stress. We'll tackle each part one by one, so, let's get started. So, we'll start with specification number 1, which states, identify the main regions of the digestive system: mouth, salivary glands, esophagus, stomach, small intestine and its parts, duodenum and ileum, pancreas, liver, gallbladder and large intestine, the colon, rectum and anus. Here, you can see the diagram of the human digestive system. We'll practice identifying and labeling it step by step. So, let's get started. So now, let's look at the diagram of the human digestive system and identify the main parts one by one. We begin with the mouth, which is the entry point of the digestive system. Inside it, we have the teeth that help break food down, and just around this region are the salivary glands. Next, right behind the mouth, we have the pharynx, which leads into the digestive passage. Close to it, you'll notice the epiglottis, a flap that covers the windpipe when we swallow. From there, food passes into the esophagus, a muscular tube that runs down through the chest into the stomach. The stomach is a J-shaped organ located in the upper left of the abdomen. On the right side, below the diaphragm, we can see the liver, and tucked just beneath it is the gallbladder. Behind the stomach lies the pancreas, and connecting the liver and gallbladder to the small intestine is the bile duct. Moving on, we come to the small intestine. This long, coiled tube has two main parts we need to identify: the duodenum, which is the first and shortest section connected to the stomach, and the ileum, which is the longer section that eventually joins the large intestine. Near the junction, you'll also notice the appendix, a small pouch that extends from the large intestine. Now, around the small intestine lies the large intestine. It includes the colon, which makes up most of it, followed by the rectum, and finally the anus, which is the external opening at the end of the digestive tract. So, that's a complete identification of the human digestive system diagram.